You say you gonna get you a girlfriend when you turn 25.
Yes.
Breakfast, lunch, or your second lunch?
Yes. I get second lunch.
At school?
Yes.
Oh.
At work.
At work? Where? What? Man, you don't have a job, man.
Yes, I do.
What you do?
I work.
What kind of work you do, man?
I do business work.
Business?
Yes.
You do business?
Yes.
What kind of business?
I work at a restaurant.
Doing what?
Cooking.
Well, when you gonna cook me something to eat? And when I'm gonna see some pay from this imaginary business in your cooking?
When I get older.
Well, a job don't count, do it now. You only, how old are you?
76.
You 76?
Yes.
You 76?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all mean to tell me I gave birth to a 76-year-old baby and didn't nobody tell me? Come now. What up, everybody? It's Sylvia and
Anthony.
And we back today with another one. What's up, you guys? We missed you. How about you?
Yes.
Okay, so let's tell you what's on the menu today. Today, we got sauteed shrimp. We got some sauteed chicken breast with some bacon on top and scallions. And we got some jalapeno peppers, you guys. And guess what else? I got a loaded potato with bacon and scallions.
Yeah.
Oh, you already know. Your girl meant business, okay? You want some cheese on your chicken?
Yes.
All right.
I love cheese.
Got some cheese on that. Because everything tastes better with cheese, don't it?
Yep.
All right, now. Ooh, ooey gooey cheese.
Even if it's with hot sauce, I still eat the cheese.
Seriously?
Yes, I will.
Wow, y'all see that?
I miss you guys so much.
Oh.
I miss you guys so much.
That's too good.
Ooh. That's
You got a
too
fork
much.
and a knife.
That's too much cheese goodness.
I know, right?
Cheese goodness.
Cheese
Cheese goodness.
Gonna have to have something to wash this down with, right?
We got 62 soda.
You want sour cream on your potato?
Yes, Mom.
Okie dokie.
Because you're the best.
You're welcome.
And I love you.
I love you more.
After, can we go out for ice cream?
I don't know. You like what kind of ice cream you want?
Chocolate.
The local Dairy Queen?
Yes, chocolate.
On deck.
Please.
No problem. You like chocolate ice cream?
Yes.
And if they don't have chocolate, what else you like?
Vanilla or strawberry?
Oh, you like vanilla like that?
Yes, I like vanilla. I like vanilla ice cream and strawberry ice cream.
Do you?
Yes.
Well, but if you had to pick one, what would it be?
It will be chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes, because chocolate's my thing.
Is it?
Yes, chocolate's my
Alright.
thing.
I feel you. I'm going to take and put this right here and right here.
Ooh.
And I'm dropping it.
Be careful, be careful.
But I'm going to put your potato right here. That way you ain't got to, scramble for it. Okay?
Scramble.
Ooh.
Today I ate a scrambled egg.
A scrambled egg?
Yes.
I wonder.
Scrambled eggs.
Is that right?
Yes. Scrambled eggs with pancakes. It was
All right.
good.
You probably gonna have to cut your little chicken tender. I gave you a fork and a knife so you can.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You think you can do that? But that's too much. You got a pear knife, so that's the good knife. You don't have to really seesaw like that.
Okay.
Try it. Let me know what's going on with it. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
What? I put a little Parmesan on this thing, on this chicken breast, you guys. I must love Anthony because I feed him like I love him. I'm just saying. You know.
I'm going to try the potato.
Yes, try the potato. I just want to say.
Both of these are 10 out of 10.
I just want to say to the people that are having a hurricane down south, I pray for you all. I hope everyone is safe. And my son lives down south, so he'll be affected by that hurricane. Now, he live in the country, but still, I want everybody to be safe. I hope no catastrophes, no deaths, nothing happen to them people. Even though I know that they used to the whole climate change and the weather and all that down there. It couldn't be me because I couldn't live down there. That's good. Try one of these shrimps, Aunt.
I did. It's good.
Did you?
Yes, I did. It's good.
I'm so greedy. That's what's up. Let me try this potato right here. Because I got a loaded potato.
We hungry.
A loaded potato, you guys. Here we go. Yeah.
All this goodness is 10 out of 10.
You're welcome. We waited all day to eat this, you guys.
It's 7:21.
Is it that late? That's late
7:21?
for us. Sauteed chicken. What's going on? What's on your mind, baby?
I had a good day today. I went to work.
You went to work?
Yes. And I got $3,000 and I made $3,000.
Is that right? Is your mama gonna be able to see some of that fundage?
Yes.
You sure?
I pay you money. Because I love you.
I hope you remember that when you start making money for real.
Yeah. Okay.
The jalapeno.
Jalapeno. They are spicy for your mouth. That's why kids don't eat them.
What up, you guys? What's up, gang? What's up, gang? I've been thinking about y'all all day. All day. Me and Anthony gonna do a mukbang challenge real soon. The challenge is gonna be who can eat the ramen noodles the fastest and get done. I'm gonna have the spicy noodles and he gonna have the regular because I love him and I don't want to go to Children's Hospital. The catch is you can't use no utensils, no fork, no spoon, no nothing. You must just use your mouth and eat the noodles out the bowl. Yep. And whoever finishes first wins, okay? So we gonna see if this little monster is up to the challenge since he be talking mad stuff, talking about he can eat some flaming hot chicken or some spicy stuff. You already know, okay? I don't think he's gonna win, but you know, I'm up for the challenge. Me and you on the playground at 3:00. Me and you. Don't be looking at me all funny eyed and stuff. Tell them, y'all. Be looking at me funny.
I ate noodles when I was a baby.
You what?
I ate noodles when I was a baby. I was born to eat noodles.
When you was a baby? Okay.
I was born to eat noodles. I would probably win. Probably. I don't know. I don't know.
You silly.
Then tomorrow we gonna jump off an airplane. When we get done eating the noodles.
Who gonna do that? Because you gonna be by yourself.
I am.
Mm-hmm.
If then I'm gonna land on top of the building for 1,056 years.
Seriously. And who gonna come rescue you?
Yeah, because you love me.
Me?
Yes.
And put myself in harm's way? I want to live to see another day. But if I'm trying to chase after you because you want to jump off the Empire State Building, I don't know, brother. That might not work out. You hear me? What you think? What y'all think? That's that deal.
Go eat some of my potatoes. I play a game called Roblox, Mom. Have you heard of it?
Of course.
So it's a game that you can make your own characters.
Okay. I'm getting full.
And if you send somebody a friend request, they can be your friend.
That sounds good.
It's easy. You just gotta push a friend request, or they send you a friend request. And
Okay.
once you press accept, they be your friend. I got 152 friends. I'm serious.
I play the game with you. That's what you mean.
Yes.
Okay. I like it. These friends, kids, right? Oh, okay. Because grown-ups can play that game as well. Okay. That's what it do. What about your class? You make any friends in the class yet?
Yeah.
At school?
I did.
What's your friend name? You got a girlfriend yet?
No.
Good.
Not yet.
I don't want to have to hurt nobody.
No, don't worry.
You don't want me to come up there and,
No, I'm gonna get a girlfriend when I turn 25.
When you turn 25?
Yes.
Oh, we know you a kid. When you turn 25?
At the age of 12.